In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a button in Wix. Whether you're looking to add a call to action on your website or simply enhance its visual appeal, understanding how to effectively use Wix's button features is key to taking your site to the next level. First things first, let's open up your Wix site in the editor. This is your workspace where you have control over the elements on your web page. You have your design palette on the left-hand side and the live preview area in the center. You'll want to begin by looking to the left and locating the Add Elements button. This is typically found as a plus sign, and sometimes it may simply display as Add, or more specifically, Add Elements. Clicking on this button unveils a variety of sections you can insert into your website, but today we're focusing on buttons. Now, find the Button section in the menu. Here, you'll have an array of buttons to choose from, catering to different styles and functions. You can opt for text and icon buttons if you want a combination of imagery and words, icon buttons if a simple graphic suffices, or image buttons if you prefer your button to have a photographic look. Each type offers its own unique way for users to interact with your website. So think about what aligns best with your site's theme and your goals for this button. Once you've decided which type suits your needs, select the button by either clicking it or dragging it directly onto the page. Dragging allows for more direct placement on your site, giving you a clearer idea of where it will live alongside your other content. Now it's time to customize. Click directly on the newly added button to make it active, then look for the Settings option. It's here in these settings that you have full control over the button's display. Determine whether you want the button to show just text, only an icon, a combination of both, or none at all if you favor minimalism or plan to add hover effects. If you've chosen a button displaying text, now's the chance to tailor that message. Replace the default text with something meaningful to your visitors, such as "Contact us," "Learn more," or "Buy now," depending on the call to action you intend to highlight. Clear and concise messaging can significantly influence user interaction, so choose your words thoughtfully to encourage visitors to take action. Following these steps, you'll have successfully added and customized a button on your Wix site. Remember, experimentation is key. Feel free to try different styles and placements until you find what best fits your website's aesthetic and functionality. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and if you're ready, go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!